my takeaway is that I'm pretty hardcore.
I just realized that I'm doing my first multi-day SUP trip during the winter.
Hey!
Alright, so my high is so far today I paddled the longer distance I ever paddled this year on selfie. So I paddled 22k on choppy wind and with some back choppy condition and good wind.
My takeaway is I don't like wind.
Yeah.
So my law was not to feel my toes for 4 hours today.
Just grinding it out, stroke after stroke, paddle in the water.
Let's go! My takeaway is you can do anything with badass friends. Yep, anything you want, you can achieve with rad friends. I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's go, please.
I got my Usa bag aboard, let's go.
I'm gonna change our angles a bit. I don't know what this is doing, but I see you. You see me.
Nearly missed the ferry. That's how we roll.
We have no idea about the whole ferry. We have the best story, and I wish we videotaped it.
Oh,
because
really?
We went to go look at the lookout at the lake because the ferry wasn't until 10.
We got 20 minutes.
9:37 we left. So we go, we start walking in the ice and the snow, and we go, and we're like, what's that noise? I'm like, sounds like a power thing. And then all of a sudden, Rita looks down, it's like, it's the ferry. I'm like, well, it's not gonna leave yet. All the vehicles are on it. And we get back to where we're parked on the highway, and there's another car behind us, and she doesn't think to go around us.
Oh my gosh,
She
she
gets
just
to our
waited.
vehicle.
Yeah.
She sees that we're running, and she like peels out from around us and like drives down to the ferry, and we all drive down. He closed the gate and he opened it and let us on.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
That's how we started. How we got the day going.
That's a good start.
With boards loaded, it was time to rest and get ready to set off and start our adventure. We rolled into SLOCAN City and started to unload boards, dry bags, and get our paddle boards geared up.
Stay dry, kids.
With all of our boards loaded, dry suits zipped up, sunshine high in the sky, and a nice breeze from the south, the group got ready to push off from SLOCAN City and set off towards Evans Beach. Our group consisted of 6 paddlers from Saskatchewan, Alberta, and British Columbia. We came together to see if we could handle paddling the beautiful SLOCAN Lake in the end of February. The paddle on the way in wasn't all hard. The views were amazing.
I just realized that I'm doing my first multi-day SUP trip during the winter.
Home, night 1, Evans Beach. We unloaded our paddleboards and begun to explore our home for the night. South Evans Beach Campground was the perfect place to call home.
How's it going, Rita?
Oh, super good. First time setting up a new tent.
Nothing like a winter camp trip to do a test run.
Hell yeah. I tried it in the living room.
We unpacked our tents, set up our kitchen, opened up our sleeping bags, and set up our little oasis for the evening.
What you guys doing? A snow bench. Nice. Good work, ladies. Thank you.
Everyone chipped in to do their share to help make camp a beautiful, welcoming place to be. We enjoyed dinner, had a campfire, and shared stories of adventures before we set off to bed. And as we slept, a storm rolled in, putting a fresh blanket of snow on all of our gear and our tents. We woke up with smiles and awareness of the wind. How was night 1, Jackie?
Oh, night 1 was awesome. Totally warm, toasty. It was awesome. It's almost ready. Baby. Just to carry it back.
So went winter camping is an awesome adventure if you go to ride gear and you're ready for at least a little challenge.
All right, first time winter camping. I mean, I wasn't cold. It was nice. Good stuff. Now for packing up.
How to do it efficiently and get it all back on the board.
Yeah.
That's going to be the next challenge.
Yeah, definitely.
How are you two doing over here?
Get stuff.
We're getting stuff.
Yeah.
It soon became time to head to the beach and load up our paddleboards to set off on our next adventure. The boys were to paddle north to New Denver, crossing the lake and downwinding their way. The girls took some of their extra gear and were headed south back to SLOCAN City so we could meet them with the shuttle vehicles. We didn't know what was ahead. Making our way in the snowstorm, staying warm, paddling on. Well, it's type 2 fun kind of day. It's windy. We made the choice to paddle into the headwind, shorter distance. It's cold. We're definitely paddling on our knees a bunch. But you know what? We're still out here. We're still killing it. And it's going to be really funny to tell everybody about this adventure later. So we got this. SLOCAN Winter SUP. Yeah, type 2 fun. We stayed pretty close to shore as we made our way south in the snow and the fog, taking breaks on our knees to stay stable on our boards. And of course, the GoPro never does the size of the waves justice. But the wind was strong and we just kept paddling on. As the girls paddled into the SLOCAN City boat launch, we were protected from the wind and we had smiles of achievement on our faces. Yeah, Lisa! Until we're done! The girls loaded up the truck and headed on the highway to New Denver. We quickly said goodbye to Jackie as she headed to beat the storm, and then straight to the beach to cheer Victor and Sam on as they paddled into town.
I was paddle with them to New Denver all the way, and take away. I love paddling waves, so I want to do it more.
The low of the day was definitely the wind and heading into the wind and how sore that made my muscles.
The heaviest, most loaded board I've ever had. And just getting her done, grinding it out. It was hard, but type 2 fun. What can I say?
And my low is I don't have any low for today. Had a good day.
Yeah. What was my high? Getting to shore.
My high was, getting to shore and coming to the nice warm adventure domes in New Denver. Janet left the heat on for us and had it all ready. that was a big high, and same with the awesome greasy burgers that we had.
The high of the day was, you know, waking up and not really being that cold until I got on the lake and started paddling into the wind, but that was another thing. Hitting shore was also another high.
I'm winning!
No! Too much air left in mine.
Do the cobra or the mermaid.
Oh!
Rita! Rita sends for the win!
Okay. It's almost like experience pays off or something.
That's my bag.
Oh, back off! Let's do it! Quick, quick! I gotta get it in the bag!
And row your boat gently down the street.
What was my low? Thinking we would never get to shore.
Getting stuffed!
A low of the day was definitely midway through the paddle when I was getting really tired and really grumpy. So I just put my head down and paddled hard until I really needed to take a break because the wind was pretty intense. And
Oh wait, it's a video.
It's supposed to be a video. The deflation stretches. The Victor and Rita.
I like it. Oh yeah.
I'm not impressed. The way I love paddling waves. So I want to do more.
My low was sitting in the car after getting everything loaded up, getting ready to go, and just trying to collect the data that I needed to make a good decision as to what the safest way to get out of the mountains and beat the storm. And watching my friends go back down to you know, bring in the boys. That was my low. And my takeaway is that my strength training this winter, my consistency there, really paid off, and that I'm going to say yes to more adventures on paddleboards.
Sam's setting up.
Oh, you got the video going?
I say takeaway is I'm looking to do more long distance and longer trip this year, as it is already end of February and this is the end of my second multi-day trip this year.
the SUP logo in the background or in the bottom corner. Oh my god, look at me go.
Lot of experiences.
Oh my gosh. And then,
I guess we can.
oh, that must be the ice.
Okay, well this video's gone to shit.
Because it's 360, right? So like,
Yeah.
I'll see you.
I shouldn't need to point it at things.
Nanny, nanny.
As I'm like looking at this side.